Hey guys, ये मेरा I think second vlog है of this journey that I've started in YouTube, and you guys must have seen that Arant didn't join us yesterday, as I had mentioned कि he will join us, but he fell sick, and he was sick for a couple of days, but he wanted to take off for one extra day just in case कि वो वापस ट्रेनिंग पे आए and then he again gets sick and then it gets worse. तो बस एक दिन as a surety कि हाँ मैं perfect health पे हूँ, he took rest and probably he'll join us today. आज एक स्पेशल व्लॉग होगा जिसमें टुडे आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट गोल आई एम परस्यूइंग through my fitness right now. Like I have done a lot of stuff through the years in lifting, but what I'm currently doing so that you guys can also know कि मेरा भी goal क्या है and how I'm training to work for that goal. Also, to let you guys know, मेरे videos will be obviously in mixed, like my dialect will be mixed for languages. Like I'll be speaking in both English and मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगा, as obviously both of them मैं अच्छे से बोल नहीं पाता हूँ, but apart from the point, मैं ये इसलिए कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि I very much see myself connected more to the camera, more to the people when I'm talking about myself and my lifestyle. मुझे लगता है कि मैं हिंदी में ज़्यादा अच्छे से बोल सकता हूँ, but even if I can like go for English as well, but the problem comes in कि then मेरा वो एक uncomfortable setup हो जाता है. तो why not just do both? I want to do English as well क्योंकि मैं purely हिंदी नहीं रखता क्योंकि I have some audiences from my UK. I have a lot of friends in the UK in my college who are watching this video as well, and a lot of audience I want to gain from foreign countries, from American countries, from UK, and all over Europe, any continent. And I think English outside of India is one of the most spoken languages. So like keeping it mixed with English and Hindi is how I want to go with videos. Plus, you guys must have noticed that you are not seeing any subtitles when I'm speaking in Hindi. It's because it's getting very tedious for me to edit in lines because I'm speaking in mixed, and to find those little gaps in every second of the video, even though I know what I'm saying, मुझे देखना पड़ेगा कि मैं कब हिंदी में बात कर रहा हूँ, कब इंग्लिश में बात कर रहा हूँ, and then I have to add a line to translate it. I'm not even able to translate it perfectly. You guys must have seen the last video. अगर तुम लोगों ने पूरा देखा होगा, मैं हर एक हिंदी लाइन इधर अच्छे से ट्रांसलेट नहीं कर पाया या फिर I have left it at all. Today's shoulder workout is going to be special for two reasons. First reason is that we'll be joined by Arhant and you'll be seeing him very frequently in these videos because he gyms with me, right? And today, as a surprise, even Aran doesn't know this, right? I think I'll tell him in the car just before we like drop off to the gym. आज हम लोग एक बहुत साइंस बेस्ड लिफ्टिंग करेंगे फॉर आवर शोल्डर वर्कआउट, एंड I wanted to try this science based lifting from one of the two top people that I've seen in social media and YouTube all over. First is Dr. Mike, and other one is Jeff Nipper, if I'm pronouncing his name correctly. These two, I have seen them for over 6 to 8 months now. I have not been following them for so long क्योंकि मैं कभी वो वाले content creation में कभी गया नहीं. But they came in my recommendation and I started watching their videos and it made a lot of sense. I liked their content, and later on I started implementing what all principles they had. So last video I had mentioned, right, that I'll mention a lot of YouTubers, content creators that I follow, and I take inspiration, I take mostly like wisdom and knowledge from them to train accordingly. These are some of the YouTubers like Dr. Mike and Jeff Nippard. One of the, I think not, I don't know factually, but for now, for me at least, these two are one of the top science-based lifters in the weightlifting, the fitness industry itself, and plus they're certified. We will be doing our own, obviously, own weight, own working sets, but we will be following the same shoulder workout, and let's see if we have a better pump than what I usually do. You guys must have not seen what I usually do, but I'll also run you through that in a next shoulder workout कि मैं क्या करता था personally. But अभी के लिए we'll try this. So yeah, today's entire video is based on doing their science-based workout for shoulders. So yeah, let's go to it. और मुझे पसीना आना शुरू हो गया है due to this weather. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the car. And here we are, man of the hour, Arhan. इतने दिनों के बाद ज्वाइन किया हमको. Just got out from his bed after fever. तो welcome back. ये सब यही हरकतें करेगा पूरी.
Jacking off.
क्या? Oh,
Jacking off.
ये सब यही हरकतें करेगा.
Welcome to the vlog. You're finally gonna have fun watching this. You're gonna keep watching with this because of the way I am.
But still, yes.
Yeah.
होगा.
Vlog.
कुछ तो होगा.
Real.
हमने मसल ब्लेज का प्री वर्कआउट बना लिया है. Arant is having his.
Hitting me.
Yeah, तो अब मैं बना के पीऊँगा and then we'll see you guys in the session.
और मैं रियोन को बना के लूँगा.
तो Arant,
आज बालों की जो वॉल्यूम आ रही है ना भाई, आज मतलब पूरा. Yeah.
ओके, तो अरहान बहुत खुश अपने बालों को लेके. मैंने अरहान को डिस्क्लोज कर दिया कि आज का शोल्डर वर्कआउट विल बी फुल्ली साइंस बेस्ड टुवर्ड्स जेफ निफर्ड एंड डॉक्टर माइक. तुझे बोला ही. ओके, अभी बोल रहा हूँ मैं अरहान को. अरहान भी फॉलो करता है डॉक्टर माइक और जेफ निफर्ड को एंड वी आर लाइक गुड फैंस. और
I want to touch Dr. Mike.
और अच्छा दिन भी है आज जिम में कोई स्पेशल भी आए हुए हैं, वो भी अपना वर्कआउट करेंगे अपना अलग से. उनके साथ भी बात किया, उन लोगों के भी सजेशन किया.
इसमें बात ही नहीं कर रहा.
उसको उनसे शर्म आती है, शायद हो जाता है. अगर अपॉर्चुनिटी बना मैं हमको प्रॉब्ली कैमरा के सामने आओ. बट एनीवेज हम लोग वर्कआउट पे फोकस करेंगे. वी मूव ऑन टू द वर्कआउट.
वियर्ड ग्लेजर्स और फैन बॉयज नहीं लगना. हम है.
हाँ, वी आर फैन बॉयज.
क्रेजी फैन बॉय. मैं उनका पता है सारा चैनल फॉलो करता हूँ. ठीक है, उनका जो लाइक वो अलग से चैनल है ना जिसमें लाइक डेली वीडियोस और अपडेट्स वो भी देखता हूँ. क्यों क्या खा रहे हैं क्या वो कर रहे हैं. लेकिन मैं
पर हाँ, चलो ठीक है. विल मूव ऑन टू द वर्कआउट नाउ. तो वी रैन थ्रू अ प्रॉब्लम वेल बिकॉज मैं थोड़ा डम था. आई डिड नॉट टर्न ऑन माई माइक. तो बहुत कुछ जो हम लोग ने वर्कआउट के बीच में बोला था डिड नॉट कम. द ऑडियो डिड नॉट कम. तो आई विल बी रनिंग थ्रू माई वॉइस ओवर ड्यूरिंग द वर्कआउट जो तुम सुन रहे होगे. We started off with which exercise? We started off with machine shoulder presses, and we went with I think 3 sets, good 3 working sets with the slow eccentric, and we chose this exercise according to Dr. Mike and Jeff Nippard, what they did in the video. And during the exercise हमारा जो front delt था was pumped completely under 3 sets, जो usually होता नहीं है. It takes like 2 exercises at least for the shoulder to be pumped. पर एक exercise में pump होने लग गया. Plus हम लोग machine क्यों कर रहे थे? According to Dr. Mike and Jeff Nippard that it provides more stability, and plus it's a machine. Like machines are made for your conveniency.
वो चीज़ बनी ही इसलिए है
कि तुम्हें डायरेक्टली शोल्डर पे लगे.
और वो कंपनी वाले साइंटिस्ट्स ने बनाया है.
राइट.
I am sort of a scientist in my degree, but like not in body science. Those guys are scientists.
Yeah.
And engineers.
Yeah.
Like we trust the machine.
Engineer? Oh yeah, for the machines. Yeah, basically. And
But
moving
हमसे
on.
advice ले सकते हो.
क्या?
हमसे लेकिन advice ले सकते हो. हमें like
Yeah, so that's the thing, right? Last video मैंने बोला advice लेना है, no, there is no issue in that, right? But at the end we just want to provide. That's all. Now, a man provides. Yeah. And moving on to the next one, we went off with an easy bar, full ROM. I think in the video it's like a super ROM, full ROM frontal raises. We did like this. Yeah. And the pressure range depended on from this to this height, and जो ये full ROM का movement था was basically fully focused on the eccentric. कि जब तुम नीचे आ रहे हो you have to go as slow as you can, तो मसल पे ज़्यादा प्रेशर बनेगा. And plus this provides a full stretch from top to bottom. So we did that, and that was a bit harder than expected. We went with I think a 10 kg easy bar, and we thought we'll complete around 16 to 20 reps.
It was not easy bar.
It was a not easy bar, yeah. So we wanted to complete around 16 to 20 reps, but there was no easy bar lower than that weight. Plus we completed around 10 to 12 to 15 at least, but we reached failure and the muscle was hit. So I'll consider that exercise a success as well.
भाई हाँ, क्योंकि सी वी आर नॉट सम ह्यूज बॉडी बिल्डर्स,
True.
हमें बस ये चाहिए कि हमारी मसल्स जल्दी बन जाएं और मोस्ट एफिशिएंटली बने। उसके लिए अगर मैं 5 किलो का भी डंबल उठा रहा हूँ, 2.5 किलो का भी उठा रहा हूँ, हेल 1 किलो की केटलबेल से भी स्ट्रेचिंग या ऐसा कुछ
Yup.
फिर
Unless and until the muscle is being hit, you're using good hypertrophy, good stretch, and you're eating well, muscle build होना ही होना है.
आप अच्छे दिखने के लिए आए हो अगर जिम में, तो आपको पावर लिफ्टिंग करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है।
ट्रू. हाँ, हम लोग ने उनसे भी बात किया था, उनने सेम पॉइंट दिया था कि इफ़ यू आर मोर इनटू एस्थेटिक्स, इनटू एक्चुअली लाइक showing off your muscle, showing off your body, powerlifting is a whole other domain in this weightlifting industry, in this fitness industry. It is not suggested for you. You can give it a try, right?
आपको
But
करनी है तो
कर सकते हो. Like there is a whole new other training regime you have to follow. It will be not as different as the one you're following right now, but then there is a difference between powerlifters and bodybuilders.
आदमी अगर सोचता है कि मैं भाई अगर 150 किलो की बेंच प्रेस मार दूंगा तो मैं अच्छा दिखूंगा,
हाँ,
ऐसा
तो
नहीं होता भाई। एक आदमी है वो 1700-1800 किलो, मैंने देखा वो ऐसे वो वीडियो का उसमें आई में दे दियो, वो देखना, वो होती पावर लिफ्टिंग।
yeah, वो होती है. And then bodybuilders have a different type of weightlifting style. तो
ले लो
ये
देख लो,
हाँ,
सीबम और लीड की भी अगर आप कंपैरिजन करो तो उनका एक साथ में वीडियो है
या
जिसमें
अभी
कहता है-
रिसेंटली निकला है.
हाँ, जिसमें वो कहता है कि ओ वेट व्हाई डिड यू जस्ट, लीड कहता है कि आई एम लीविंग सम इन द टैंक।
या
ट्रेनिंग स्टाइल इतना अलग है पर दोनों की बॉडीज अलग अलग, उसमें
Yeah.
वर्ल्ड रेनॉन्ड फेमस।
So moving on to the next exercise, we went with the front delts were done, and then we went on with the side delt, which is considered one of the main delts for your shoulder that provides the 3D aspect. And you must have seen the meme around social media. You must have seen the meme. तो पता नहीं दिख भी रहा होगा या नहीं.
ऐसे कर, तो इसमें जो ये राउंड आता है ना भाई का, वो इसका
Middle portion, and it's considered कि the front is already being used in so many other exercises for your chest, for your compound movements, कि you mostly should be focused on your rear and middle delts obviously. And for middle delts we went on with a full range of motion again, lateral raises, which was a bit weird because I had never done this, nor did Arhant. But following the video, it was quite tough. We usually do lateral raises normally with the Y-shaped ones with 8 to 10 kg, sometimes even 12. But for this exercise, we had to drop to 5 kg, and that was also, it felt like we were ego lifting with 5 kgs.
खत्म थे हम,
क्योंकि
क्योंकि यार जिम में और लोग हैं और अगर वो हमें 2.5 के साथ देखेंगे तो लोगों को लगेगा यार ये क्या कर रहे हैं।
हाँ, पर like,
मजाक कर रहे हैं।
but the thing is 2.5 felt it will be too light and 5 kgs felt it would be too heavy. So we were like, you know what, even अगर reps कम हो रहा है, if you are hitting it with perfect form, why not do it with 5 kgs. So we went on with 5 kgs, did 3 sets, had a good pump, and then we directly headed off to another, I forgot the name, मैं बोल दूंगा, दिखा दूंगा वीडियो में, but it went on with a cable, side lateral raises, but with more of a sideways momentum.
Like a side pull kind of a
Yeah, it's like you're sheathing your sword.
like a sort of a 3 sets of slow cha 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 like that.
Yeah, basically it's like this one. हाँ, तो ये किए थे, and this worked more of a isolation movement for your middle one, and delts जब hit हुआ isolation movement के साथ अच्छे से hit हुआ, we then went on with which exercise? We went on with rear delts.
वो वाले के लिए
Yeah, rear delts के लिए in the video it was shown 2 exercises, but very honestly हम लोग बहुत थक गए थे, and plus we have a back day tomorrow, and we are anyways going to be doing one exercise, a compound movement that will be targeting the rear delt. So we decided to move on with the rear delt with one exercise to go on with failure, and that's how we ended the video. We did a rear delt cable pull, I forgot the name again, मैं video में दिखा दूँगा, don't worry. Yeah, basically, तो वो किए थे, तो that ended our basically, We ended our workout. It was pretty tough, to be honest. It was tough for me.
Nothing is difficult.
I don't know what he's talking
Nothing
about.
is difficult if you focus.
He's lying. He's lying. It was a bit tough, but we enjoyed it.
But they can see my face while I was doing the rest.
So like it was enjoyable, but it was very tough though.
So yeah, but do it for the pump. Chase the pump.
Yeah. तो ये हुआ था. What I'll say is the workout went well. Definitely got a pump, right? The muscle was stimulated. We did both.
और सारी एक्सरसाइज ऐसी थी जिन पे डीप स्ट्रेच आया और जिनको आसानी से ओवरलोड कर सकते हो.
Overloading is very hard in that, but if you're overloading in that exercise with proper reps, that means you're progressing, definitely. Because don't expect in these exercises ki 1 week you're hitting 5 kgs and then the next week you're going with 7 or 10 kgs directly. I don't expect that. If you're doing that, then kuch to ho raha hai. Okay, Arant, let's move on to flexing.
भाई 5 फॉर्च्यूनर 6
Arant, muscle flexing, shoulder flexing.
यो तो ना.
Okay. So that's the thing. That's the end of this video, right? I'm very sorry अगर ऑडियो थोड़ा fucked up हो गया था during the sets. ये वॉइस ओवर तुम लोग वैसे भी देखते रहोगे. So anyways, I'll see you guys later on. I don't know अगर मैं वीडियो यहाँ पर एंड करूँगा या बाद में एंड करूँगा, but yeah, let's go. आज का वर्कआउट खत्म हो गया. अभी हम सब
ड्राइव मत कर भाई.
क्या?
ड्राइव अभी मत कर, पहले बात कर ले भाई.
ओके.
अजीब है भाई.
आज का वर्कआउट ख़त्म हो गया और हम लोग ने एज सेड बिफोर साइंस बेस्ड वर्कआउट किया पहली बार फॉर शोल्डर्स. टुमारो ऑब्वियसली विल गो बैक टू आवर ओन रूटीन. हम लोग अपना ही बैक वर्कआउट करेंगे. विल रन यू थ्रू इट. आई डोंट नो इफ आई एम गोना मेक अ वीडियो और मे बी नेक्स्ट वीडियो बनाओ, बट इस वीडियो को एडिटिंग के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. सो प्रॉबली बाय द टाइम यूर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो इट्स ईदर वेडनेसडे और थर्सडे IST. सो या, हम लोग ने एक सक्सेसफुली एक साइंस बेस्ड लिफ्ट वर्कआउट ख़त्म किया है. आई विल रेट दिस a solid 8 out of 10. What do you think?
Solid 8 out of 10. What do you think?
ठीक है जो हाँ तो 8 out of 10 देंगे. I did not give it full points because there were a lot of movements that were new to me and felt a bit uncomfortable than what I'm used to. तो मे बी जो ये रेगुलरली करते हैं साइंस बेस्ड लिफ्टिंग मस्ट फाइंड इट बेटर, बट या
इसमें से सिर्फ दो ही ऐसे मूवमेंट्स थे जो हम लोग रेगुलरली करते हैं. एक तो
Yeah.
क्रॉस केबल वाला रियर डेल्ट्स के लिए
या
और एक मशीन ऑब्वियसली.
एक मशीन. बाकी सब नया था
भाई.
बट अच्छा लगा हमको करके. समथिंग न्यू फॉर द जिम. थोड़ा सा
और मेन पॉइंट ये है, जब लाइट वेट्स आप एक एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो जिसमें लाइट वेट्स भी हैवी लग रहे हैं,
Yeah.
सो दैट लिटरली प्रूव्स कि वो बहुत इफेक्टिव है.
Yeah, so like you're working the muscle,
हाँ.
right? And light weights in some sense can be called as resistance.
Yeah, and I love a little resistance because
Fair.
I'm like from Delhi. And lightweight जहाँ भी आ गया वहाँ रॉनी कोलमैन देवता जी की blessings है.
हाँ तो यही है. अभी हम लोग घर जाने वाले. एंड बिफोर आई एंड द वीडियो हियर आई वांटेड टू से कि मैं अपने गोल के बारे में बात कर रहा था. सो व्हाट माय ट्रेनिंग राइट नाउ फॉर माय गोल इज़ लुकिंग, वी आर बेसिकली डूइंग अ रिकॉम्प. ओके, बट इट्स नॉट अ कंप्लीट रिकॉम्प. इधर मैं एक स्मॉल रिकॉम्प, यूजली रिकॉम्प टेक्स a long time for around, I'll give it around 3 to 6 months or maybe even more if you're going for a very good recomp. But as मेरे पास ज़्यादा time नहीं इंडिया में and I'll have to go back to the UK, we'll be doing a very short recomp but as much as we can where we're eating maintenance calories. Maybe one day I'll run you through what I eat in a day, but we're doing maintenance calories. We are increasing our activity level so that we burn good fat, right? We take our protein, we take our carbs, we take healthy fats, and then we burn and we try to get the overall body fat low as we can. We try to burn more calories. Okay, तो activity level increase करके देखते हैं कि probably by the mid of August we'll do a BMI. I've already done my BMI. I'll make a short video, very like 3 to 4 minutes, where I'm explaining my BMI and what I'll do. I had taken a BMI like 2 weeks back. 2 weeks?
Yeah.
2 weeks before मैंने और अरहान ने एक BMI किया था. I'll run you through it, and then we'll do another BMI during mid of August and see what results came out of whatever we trained during a month or so. So yeah, यही है आज के वीडियो के लिए. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. So yeah, bye. Take care.
I just want to be Batman.